If you don't know this, you are overcounting your users on Google Analytics. In Google Analytics, you can find active users and new users in the report section. If you consider these numbers are actual number of users visiting your site, you are wrong. To understand this, you have to know how Google Analytics identify and count users visiting your site. Let's do it in a practical way. I just landed on this site right now. When I landed on this site, Google Analytics create a cookie in my web browser's local memory. So where can I find it? Simple. Just right click on the web page and inspect the web page. So you can find application option here. So in that application option, you can find cookies here. Here you can find GA cookie, which is Google Analytics cookie. So the cookie value will be GA1.1 and random numbers. So this will be the client ID. This client ID contains a random number followed by the timestamp. So GA1 will be the indicator for the Google Analytics and 1 will be the domain level and followed by a random number generated by Google Analytics, and after that you can find the timestamp. So overall this will be your unique client ID assigned to your browser. This unique ID tells the Google Analytics, hey, this is me who visited your site on Monday. So next time when I landed this web page, Google Analytics can identify me and noted me as a revisitor. What if I cleared the cookie on the web browser? So let's do it. So I cleared the cookies now and reload the page. Now Google Analytics created another cookie to my web browser, which means a new client ID. Yes, it is considered me as a new user again. It cannot find existing cookie in my web browser. That means Google Analytics will consider my visit as a new visitor, not a revisitor, because I don't have a cookie of Google Analytics. So you can find me telling Google Analytics assign cookie to my web browser, which means Google Analytics considered web browser as a user, not the actual person. That's why you can find many variations in the dashboard. So let's say what if I used another browser to visit the same website? Let's do it. Now I am visiting the same website using another browser. Now let's find the cookie data. In this, we are assigned with another new cookies, which means another new visit, not a revisitor. That's the problem. That's why you can't or you should not consider the user count showing on your Google Analytics dashboard as a precise one. Wait, what if I block the cookies during the visit? Let's find out in another video.